making complex sentences clear, commas and parenthetical expressions. Hello there, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of complex sentences, focusing on one of their fascinating elements, parenthetical expressions. We will look at how to punctuate these expressions using commas, which are crucial for clarity and correct understanding. Let's get started. First, let's answer the question, what are parenthetical expressions? They are phrases, words, or clauses that you can insert in a sentence without changing its fundamental meaning. These expressions add extra information or clarification. For example, the sentence, "My friend, who is an avid reader, lent me a great book," has a parenthetical expression, "who is an avid reader." The main message, "My friend lent me a great book," still stands even without it. When you introduce parenthetical expressions into your sentence, commas become the superstar. They help mark the start and end of the expression, setting it apart from the rest of the sentence. Let's use the previous example. My friend, who is an avid reader, lent me a great book. See how the commas surround the parenthetical expression? That's your ticket to clear and understandable sentences. When using commas with parenthetical expressions, there are a few key guidelines to keep in mind. 1. Use 2 commas for parenthetical expressions that are in the middle of a sentence. As we've seen in our example, my friend, who is an avid reader, lent me a great book. 2. If the parenthetical expression comes at the beginning or end of a sentence, use 1 comma to separate it from the rest of the sentence. For example, being a science enthusiast, I always attend the annual science fair. 3. Lastly, if the parenthetical expression is necessary to the meaning of the sentence, do not use commas. For instance, people who exercise regularly live healthier lives. Here, the clause, "who exercise regularly," is essential to understand the sentence fully. And that's a wrap for today, language explorers. Understanding how to use commas with parenthetical expressions is a great tool to make your complex sentences clearer and more interesting. It's all about providing extra information without disrupting the main message. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these in your everyday writing. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!